Good morning. I'm here in Moab and I'm at an Airstream, and you may recognize the person I'm about to meet today to do some exploring with while we're here. And this is a really nice Airstream. Okay, we'll take a look here and see who we have.
Hello. Welcome to my temporary home here.
So awesome.
This is the hot tamale.
Nice, that's very appropriate.
Yes.
And what did you say the name of this place is?
It's Enchanted
Something-
Escapes.
okay.
Enchanted Escapes. Yeah.
That is so cool.
Yep, here in Moab, Utah.
I've never been inside an Airstream, so I always wondered, and this looks so spacious.
It's huge.
Because, you know, looking at them from the outside, you don't know, is it too narrow or not, you know, and without bump outs, slide outs, how's that working?
Yeah.
So colorful.
Check it out.
I love what they've done to the place. Wow.
Each one here has a different theme. So this is the
Okay.
kind of a Southwest Mexican type theme.
I like the fridge, very nice size fridge.
Yes.
Yeah, full
Yeah,
size.
it's all stocked with
Right
dishes
on.
and everything you need.
Wow.
Yeah.
So nice. Like the curtains.
Yeah.
And you could sleep too
And
right
this
here.
is also a sofa bed.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
kind of what I thought. Yeah,
So
that you can pull that
comes
out.
It's a pull-out bed. Yep.
Two right there and two
They
here.
provide all the blankets and everything. for us.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
And the bathroom is, wow. Yeah.
It's a
So-
good sized tub and shower. And
I do like the shower curtain. That's super
everything's
nice. Wow. Very nice.
Little decor on the toilet.
Oh yeah, check that. Oh, that is so sweet. Okay.
Super cute.
Was it very expensive?
No, not this time of year.
Okay, that's the whole thing about Moab. If you know, come in the off season, you can get some really good deals right here on the lodging before it gets hot, which actually is nice
Yes.
when it's not super windy like today.
Exactly.
So we'll go out and do some exploring.
Let's go. I'm
Yeah,
excited.
me too. So, we are out exploring Arches National Park on this windy and cold day. It's going to be a driving adventure today, but we're making the most out of it. And for those of you that don't know, this is Catherine and my good friend for quite a few years now,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
We met on YouTube
Yes, we did.
because we enjoy the same outdoor adventures, you know, backpacking, hiking, road life. So we hiked before, and she has an awesome channel, Catherine Gregory.
Yep.
Be sure to check that out and subscribe.
Thank
So
you.
you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm just, like Nicole said, I have a channel. It's called Catherine Gregory. It's just my name. And it's all things outdoors, not unlike Nicole's channel. We have done a few backpacking trips together and camping together, but it's been a while since we've gotten together and done some backpacking, and I think we're going to change that soon. So we're just very happy to be spending some time with her here in Moab.
Yep, so am I. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, so check her out. I will have
you.
the link below, and subscribe, and we're gonna continue on this blustery adventure here today.
Yeah, thanks, guys.
So we think that the weather adds to our filming because the clouds, weather always makes it more interesting, I feel, you know, stormy skies and gives it a different ambiance.
I agree. It's definitely a
So-
moody vibe today.
Yeah, and right now it's not that windy at the very moment, so here it goes again.
Yeah, I know. It's just as soon as you say
Yeah, I
it,
know.
it kicks up.
And best of all, it's not that busy today.
Yes, that is the best of all.
So we're still just sitting here in the car driving. It's just too windy out there. Every time you open the door, it kind of yanks it out of your hand, so you really have to watch it when you pull up next to someone, you know, that could be bad. But it looks amazing. No one out here really, so we're gonna try and see if we can do a short hike maybe to Double Arch and see how that goes. And then there is a Sandstone Arch further up, and we'll try to check that out too. It's both easy. You know, if you can't hike very far, those are great to do, so we'll take you along with us.
Yeah, hopefully we can get to one of the arches.
Yeah. So that right there is the famous balanced rock here at Arches National Park. Don't miss it when you come here on a better day. Less blustery than today, but yeah, it's epic. And you can do some good nighttime photography from here. How are you liking the blue sky coming in?
I'm loving it. We're getting a little bit of sunshine.
That's
the
right.
Clouds are breaking up. We might have some sun today.
Yes, after all.
Yeah. It's actually a little bit of a wind block.
We are going to Sand Dune Arch. Was it Sand Dune or Sandstone?
Sand Dune.
Okay, yeah. So, yeah, it should be a little sheltered in here, is what we're hoping for. Nicole's guest photographer here because she's keeping her eyes on the road. We are driving through a snow flurry right now. We thought we saw rain in the distance, but it was actually this snow flurry. Crazy how quickly the weather can change. We made it back, and it's better right now. I think it's gonna stop being so windy and hopefully clear up for tomorrow. Yeah, and we had a great time. And yeah, that just goes to show you can have a great time in any weather.
That's right.
So
Just get out there.
that's right, get out. You've got one life.
Yeah.
So we will see you on the next one, and thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to either one of our channels, please consider subscribing, and we will see you soon.
See you soon, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye.